Yeah, what's going on, YouTube? Danby refrigerator, Energy Star. Same refrigerator. Locks on here so no one steals my food. Listen. Well stocked with food and ice trays. She's working. What it was is, when you get an Energy Star refrigerator like this, okay, there's a back plate, that thing back there where the blower is. There's a little PC fan or a regulator fan or a defrosting fan, whatever the fuck you want to call it. The cold air comes off the compressor behind there and blows it up into the top duct and out here to refrigerate and freeze the food. If that fan wears out, good luck, because it's $176 to $200 to replace. It's the same refrigerator. All I did was replace the evaporator fan, is what the fuck they call it. Yep. So, thanks for watching.